They never give any warning, but that's why we're all in the sky around the clock, to detect their mechanized and any other assault actions in advance and give those worms a good thrashing at the approaches. Let me show you the recent smashing of this column, which was aiming to storm the next settlement in Donbass. Deep State wrote about that attempt and asked to wait for the video from those who carried it out. Well, here you go. This is what a dumb wedge looks like. Out of 8 vehicles, they were taken apart by the pilots of Magyar's birds, together with pilots from friendly units on this section of the front. 117th Mechanized Brigade and the 400th ANU Brigade. I'll say the main thing at the end, but for now, the crews in the vehicles, Matim is aiming at the first scab. From the outside, it looked like this. Fall, damn it! The tank goes first. They hit the BMP to block the movement and buy some time. They managed to block it. The tank kept moving forward, and the column had to maneuver. This allows a certain number of strike assets to be launched into the air. See how they've stretched out? In the meantime, Klimchik's brave and determined Cossacks are now steadily heading forward into their very next military action. We let the tank pass and go after the BMPs and APCs because they're full of assault troops. This one right here. For a good hit. We're guests on this front, so most of the external footage comes from friendly units. The Mavics from the birds joined in too, but they didn't see everything. In short, that MTLB was hit. Its number is 116. It got stuck in the tree line and we'll come back to it later. The column keeps moving and the Klima-Team team continues to take it apart. The next F7 is already over the column. The water tower. We let the tank pass. 117. Well, so. Kya, here is the west filmed from the outside. Someone from a friendly unit. Meanwhile, the tank was hit, number 117, the one we took out. It stops near the water tower. We'll come back to it as well. Sorry, the video is crappy, but that's just how it is. Let's keep watching the work of the mobile participants in that action, and then we'll move on to the destruction. Next up is the sortie of the Kozak Klima-Team. Oh, here comes a hit on the tank. Unfortunately, it's still filmed from a distance. Let's take a closer look. The tank catches fire, but all 3 vehicles keep moving. The tank is having a hard time, it's barely moving, and only 3 vehicles from that group are still escaping. The MTLB in the center has already been hit once by one of our friendly units. It's dragging the remains of its grill behind it, and the movement is wrapped up by BMP number 115. And what about the third one? While we were heading to the next strike, the tank finally stopped. We think that after us, it got hit again by neighboring units. All right, we need to finish off this infestation. We're moving out to the Taudar position. FPV Klima-Team. There's a tank ahead, and in the background is BMP number 117, which we already took out. Above us, we see a bomber from a friendly unit. Oops, he's dropping a thermite lighter on the tank. These are pilots from the 117th Mechanized Brigade, if I'm not mistaken, because the National Guard from the 14th is also operating here. The tank is catching fire, and our pilot is going in for another run. Boom, the tank is burning, that's good. Meanwhile, the brigade's Mavics are locating the third one, BMP number 115. Looks like someone from our side already hit it once. Probably. The guys are already here. Looks like, damn, it's going to get a solid hit. Number 115. Whoa, the grill is powerful. Looks brand new on it. All right, then, let's go. Blob. Approaching from the outside, from the west. Meanwhile, another one of our pilot's IFVs isn't burning, damn it. All right, we'll go in through another hole. A deep dive or penetration. And again, the footage is only from our friendly Mavic, but 115 is just the way we need it. Thanks to the scouts from Kozaki, 117 or 114 for the filming. Ada boom, mother. Third, the detonation of 115 was filmed by its neighboring Mavics. Whoa, that's nice. That tin can is still running. A vehicle with a tail. It's spotted by the reconnaissance drones of Madyar. It's accelerating. F7 Klima-Team is already here. The worm's pouch is hiding. Do you see it in the dust? And it's weaving. Heading for a hit. The FPV just clipped it. The hunt should continue. The eyes are already ours, so we'll carry on. Here it is, moving between the tree lines. F7 is catching up to us. It's got electronic warfare on it, damn it, but it's nothing serious. No hit yet. Now, yes, the image got scrambled by the EW, but the FPV still got the can. It drove into the field, you see, and stopped. Well, now we just need to finish off all the participants of that assault. We can hurry up. Now there will be a deep penetration. We hit that bastard pretty hard. Doesn't need any more attention. These three are all destroyed. We're returning to the 117th that we hit and stopped near the water tower, the BMP. Here's the number, and again, deep penetration. Point of view. External perspective. Reconnaissance from a great distance. It's heating up at 20 times zoom. Chakalaka, where is the Nurin 117th? Thanks to the friendly units who filmed what it looked like from the outside. Let's move on to the next participant in the parade, number 280. We weren't the ones who stopped it. It was someone from the neighboring units, either the 117th or the 14th National Guard. But it still needs to be finished off. It's the neighboring units who are throwing an incendiary termite at it, while the Cossacks with the Klima-Team are preparing for a deep dive. That's how it looks from the outside. Nana, the pipe's got a good cleaning. Isn't it burning? It just seems that way to you. Wait a bit. Chaka chaka. The bass guitar detonated the back end perfectly. Abre. Sure. There's fuel ahead. It's spilled. 115, 117, 280. Tank, MTLB. We're returning to 116, the one we hit near the tree line at the beginning. Here it detonated, or maybe it didn't. It got hit, stopped, and right here it got stuck. By the way, it's ready for evacuation. No, that's not going to work. The pilot Klim is working over everyone and everything. Oh, the patient is ready for deep penetration. Ready. Well, let him be. Only from a great distance. External filming. We're visiting that strip by chance. We're doing reconnaissance moderately. Here, closer. 116 is detonating. Good. Let's sum up the results. 7 Taha units were hit. Of those, 5 were taken out on the move. Destroyed for scrap. 5+1 with joint efforts. So 6 out of 8. 1 from the equipment. All of them are on the slide, the ones that stormed today. The promised cherry on top. For the assault, only 1 FPV Birds of Madyar crew worked from our side, attention, with Commander Eugene. 1 of our Mavic crews and Mavics from friendly units were providing corrections. What can I say? Great job, guys. Thanks also to our neighboring units. Thanks to the bombers and FPV 117, the OMPBR, and the 14th Brigade of the National Guard of Ukraine. And to you, a quiet and peaceful, the eyes saw a worm-like horror